Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Postman into your computer and how you're going to sign up in Postman in a very simple way. What do? You just simply come over into your favorite browser and then come over here into the search bar, going to search for Postman. And you'll get the download suggestion over here called Postman Download. If you click on that, then you'll get the first website, download Postman, get started for free. Click on that, and then here you will get the download option over here called Windows 64-bit. So if you click on Windows 64-bit, and you can see the download is started and it's about 147 MB. So for that, it will take some of seconds to download. For that, keep patience. And you can see the download is completed. And now what we can do, you can simply click on it 2 times to install. And now minimize the browser. And after a short time, you can see installing Postman. And you can see it's rightly installed into your computer. So now here you can see that working with API simplified with Postman. So from here, you can simply create a free account. If you have an account, then you can simply log in, and if you want to go with this with the Google, you can go with it very easily. So I will go for the create a free account, and now here you can see here you have to give a workable email address, and then you can give the username and you can give the password over here. So I'm going to give my email address over here, and then I will give the username over here, and then here I will give the password over here. Oh, there is no hyphen will be allowed over here. So I'm going to give it like this. I'm going to give the password over here. And then I'm going to click on create free account. After that, you can see open Postman, and you just need to click on allow. And now here you just need to give your name over here. So I'm going to give my name, and what is my role? I'm going to click on backend developer and then click continue. And that's it. You simply downloaded, installed, and you signed into the Postman over here. And from here you can simply work with the APIs, and you can simply create your API server over here. So this is how you can download and install Postman into your computer in a very simple manner. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.